Can we download songs on Spotify without premium? Hello everybody, welcome back. Today in this video we are going to find out, so let's just dive right into the video. For that, open up Spotify, and then once you open up Spotify, in order to download songs, what you need to do is, in the bottom you should be finding your library option. You need to go ahead and tap on it first. And once you open it up, you need to locate up the playlist from which you may want to download the songs. For example, let's say this playlist. So once you head over to the playlist, you should be finding your songs that you've added, and you should be finding a download button. This one right here. So let's go ahead and tap on it first. And when you tap on it, here it gives you option that in order to download music to listen without Wi-Fi, you need to save your mobile data with you need to go ahead and explore the premium version of Spotify. So unfortunately, if you're trying to download songs on Spotify without premium, like tapping on stay on Spotify free, you won't be able to download the song. So you need to go ahead and purchase the premium version of Spotify. So go ahead and tap on explore premium, and once you do, there you will be finding different plans for premium. You may go ahead and purchase the one that you think is suitable for you, and after it is done, you may just go ahead and listen to songs on Spotify using premium. So if you're looking for the free option, the only thing you can download free on Spotify is podcast. So you may use the search bar in order to search for the podcast and then go ahead and download it, like by following up the same method that you use in order to download songs. So that's it for now. That's how we find out we cannot do it. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.